Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to be doing a Loveworld special, self-existent God. And if you're watching from Cflix, Facebook, YouTube, I'd like you to subscribe, send me a message, write a comment, let me know you are following. It's compulsory, write a comment. All right. We're going to be playing it in a key of F. Alright, so if you're a beginner, this is the first time you're watching, and then maybe you might not understand what I'm going to play. I have a beginner course that is free for everyone. Check into the description box. The link is there. That is if you're on YouTube. Wherever you are, you can send me a message. I'll forward you the link so that you can, also participate, learn, and play for your church. Alright, so the song starts on a 1. Self-existent God, my righteousness. Lord, most high, you reign. To your reign there shall be no end. Immortal God, invisible you are. Alright, so it starts on a 1 and then a chord 4 to a 5. This is a 5. Okay, but I'm playing a suspension. Self-existent God, my righteousness. Now this is a chord 3. I'm playing a 1/3. Then back to 4. Lord most high, you reign. 1. To your reign there shall be no end. That's 5. So this is a 4, a chord 4, and then a 5. So 1. To your reign there shall be no end. You do a chord 2. Immortal God 5. Then you do a 3. Visible you are. Okay, so you maintain the 1 and then the 5. You are God most high. Jesus, you are God most high. Then who can compare to you? No one knows. Let me see something. Who can compare to you? No one knows. Alright, so from 1, you are God most high. Jesus. 3, you are God most high. Who can compare to you? That's 4. Then you do a 6. 5. Who can compare to you? Then back to 1. And great, greatly to be praised. Then you do a flat 7, great, chord 4. Great, greatly to be praised. Flat 7, 4, back to 1. Alright, so that's the self-existent God tutorial. Thank you for being a part of this tutorial, and God bless you. See you in the next. Bye bye.